Ang maging isang ganap na pandaigdigang world champion ay ang bawat minimiti ng mga boksingero na kung saan nga po ay matyaga nilang sinusuyod ang makapasok sa rankings at tinatahak ang maging isang numero unong top contender o maging isang mandatory challenger sa isang pandaigdigang titulo. Ito lang naman po kasi ang pinakamabisang paraan para sa gayon ay mapagbigyan na mapalaban sa isang world title fight. Ngayon mga idol ay mayroon po kasi tayong kababayan na nahanay ngayon sa pagiging mandatory challenger. At ito na nga po ay ang tubong South Cotabato na kilala sa bansag na asero na si Vincent Astrolabio. Si Asero ay may kasalukuyang kartada na 19 na panalo, may 4 na talo at may 14 na nanakaut sa kanyang 19 na naipanalong mga laban. Minsan na po napasabak sa isang world title fight ang ating kababayan na ito, kaya lamang ay nabigo itong si Astrolabio na makuha ang kanyang kauna-unahang titulo. At ngayon ay mabibigyan muli siya ng isa pang pagkakataon at ito na nga ay mapalaban sa isa sa mga kampiyon ng Bantamweight Division. At ito na nga ay ang WBC Bantamweight World Champion na kilala bilang susunod di umano kay Naoya Inoue na si Junto Nakatani. Si Nakatani ay isa sa mga highly undefeated prospect ng bansang Japan na kung saan ay pumangalawa ito kay Naoya Inoue bilang isa sa mga natatanging boksingero na may impresibong kartada na tinataglay. Si Nakatani ay may kartadang 27 panalo, walang talo at may 20 na-knockout sa kanyang 27 na ipanalong mga laban. Ang hapon na ito ay may mataas na knockout ratio na umaabot lang naman sa 74% mga idol. Kaya naman hindi po basta-basta ang laban na kakaharapin ng ating kababayan rito. Kilala si Astrolabio bilang boksingerong mahilig mag-deliver ng pressure sa kalaban. Bagay na bagay po ang estilo nitong si Astrolabio kay Junto Nakatani dahil sa parehas po kasi silang aggressive fighter at mahilig sumalubong sa mga ginagawang suntok ng kalaban. Ang laban ay gaganapin po sa ika-20 ng Hunyo taong kasalukuyan na kung saan nga po ay nakataya ang WBC o ang World Boxing Council Bantamweight World Title Belt na hawak-hawak nitong si Junto Nakatani. Kaya ano sa tingin niyo mga idol? Uubra kaya ang lakas ni Asero para durugin ng malakas na hapon na si Junto Nakatani? I-comment nyo na po ang magiging komento mga idol para sa gayon ay atin yung mapag-usapan dito sa ating comment section. At bago po natin masaksihan ng laban na yan, ay ihihahain ko muna po sa inyo ang isa sa mga mabigat na laban nitong si Asero. At ito na nga po mga idol ay nung makaharap na po nito ang 2-time gold medalist na si Guillermo El Chacal Rigondeaux.
Both fight. Referee giving stiff.
No, he fought after long.
Sa unang bahagi pa lamang ng laban ay nagpapakawala na agad ng malalakas na kombinasyon itong si Astrolabio. Alam ng ating kababayan na si Asero na medyo mailap patamaan itong si Rigondeaux. Kaya naman ay kailangan niyang bilisan ang kanyang paggalaw at sa paggawa ng suntok para matamaan ang kanyang kalaban. Na kung saan ay umuubra naman ito dahil sa nagagawa niyang mapatamaan ng husto ang kanyang kalaban.
Good start from the first.
I would give him the first round. But man, this is Rigondeaux.
Second round.
Nice back.
Of course, he's respecting his opponent's power.
Vincent.
Nice body shot.
Good. That's coming from good.
Whoa.
Good job. Cannot step in with it.
You see,
Like he was doing warm up from my side. And like he can change the
right now. You see,
Oh.
good count, good defense, good, beautiful defense.
yeah, maybe like this his strategy, like give one round and take
All of this. Vincent, he can't get pressure defensive on it.
round
number
3.
Good ball. Good job from Vincent.
Guillermo, you know, like
Too slick for
too
that.
slick for that.
Oh, good shot from Vincent. Good uppercut from Vincent. Good
Go for one power punch. You should like for that, and he have seen
Nicholas.
Whatever he's doing, to be honest,
Yeah.
from the first round, just keeping his jab and keeping his.
You see, Vincent is hesitant to come in. Beautiful.
Yeah. I think Rigondeaux is still playing.
Oh, good
nice
shot.
back.
Good body shot from Wigan. He has good power, you can see from it. There we go.
No, Filipino.
Our home fighter.
But you know there was one song.
Rigondeaux, good job. Nice try by Vincent.
Oh,
Good counter by
Not leaving any chance.
good shot.
oh,
Good hook,
good job.
down.
Predict.
Good counter shot.
See from before.
Forward.
Last instant.
Oh, try.
Yeah. Let's go to the film.
Round number 5. There we go. People's fighter.
The fight is. Oh, good shot.
But you see,
Good job from.
good. It's a killer movement.
Just watching the right time, right?
Yeah, exactly.
See?
For so long, man.
Fighting.
Using that face. Oh, good body shot.
Guillermo. Have
Look
a
at
good
that.
question.
In boxing, don't forget that.
Yeah, but
Pacquiao.
Manny Pacquiao.
oh, good shot from Rigondeaux. Very precise. Rigondeaux is throwing the more precise. They're not landing more.
Here we go, round number 6.
Both boxers.
Oh,
Good job.
good shots from
March.
March first. No,
Nice ring grab.
an amazing show.
They're enjoying the event. Yeah.
Because usually fighters get frustrated. But you see, Vincent is a bit hesitant to come under him. Hey, he's gonna get caught. Oh, you see, either the body shot, the uppercut. Look, you see, beautiful. Round number 7. The crowd. Good exchange from both fighters.
What a very nice.
That one I was saying, like Rigondeaux is wetting. Like,
Shot.
yeah.
Good. Oh,
Man at work.
man, that was. Oh, good shot. Oh, good shot from Vincent.
like
He's
he
not
blocked.
facing him, no. Oh, good. Oh. Hey, believable. It's
It's
something
still like same, like old.
since he was young. Yeah. Great. Oh, Vincent. Oh.
Oh, turn to me. Of this gentleman here, yeah? He's always trying to.
Just trying to be slick with something. Oh, nice shot from Vincent. Nice body.
Like Vincent is trying to give shot, but nice overhand.
Job from.
They're great. Nice hook.
For round number 8, they both are patient. They both are watching each other. What to do?
Oh! Shot. That was a good shot down the line. Gonna attack.
I guess that Vincent was looking for this from a long time. Oh,
Rigondeaux is still wobbly.
oh,
Rigondeaux is still wobbly. Oh, he's still.
oh. 20 more seconds, guys.
Careful, and Rigondeaux is
Oh! He needs to survive.
round number 9 between Rigo and one of the best upcoming, and
Oh, good shot. Covered.
yeah, he's still trying to.
He's known to be a doctor of boxing.
Like Vincent is still looking for that one.
And so it's good shot from Vincent. Oh, good shot
Good
from
job from Rigondeaux. to go to the 9th round.
Oh, good shot.
Well, I think like Rigondo is come back.
He's recovered from that.
He wants to go to the
Number 10. Last round.
round number 9, round number 10.
As you can see, like crowds are.
Beautiful.
Oh, a nice one too. Rigondo has an unpredictable.
The body shot. Oh, good movement. Yeah.
Two more pressure. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, beautiful. Oh, good
job,
shot.
Rigondo.
Final round.
Good shot.
95-94 declaring your winner.
Sa laban ay nanalo ang ating kababayan na tinalo ang isang mailap at kampyon na kalaban. Ngayon mga idol ay uubra kaya ang ganitong stilong kakayahan nitong si Astrolabio para talunin ang undefeated knockout puncher at WBC Bantamweight World Champion na si Junto Nakatani. Kaya po kaya ni Vincent Astrolabio bigyan ng kauna-unahang talo ang Hapon na si Junto Nakatani? I-comment na po ang inyong magiging komento mga idol para sa gayon ay atin yung mapag-usapan dito sa ating comment section.